So I bought Raj a mechanical keyboard that has nice lights and a stand for his setup. No, but I'm thinking now I also want one for myself. No. But this is my computer. We'll set it up with his gaming rig later. Here's Raj. Say hi, Raj. Hello. Okay, Raj will demo it. Raj, okay. Do the first function.
Is the first one.
Look how it changes. Okay, so it's pulsating and then.
This is the next one.
Ooh, look how nice.
Like the purple.
Also changes.
Oh, and then that's the red, and then.
Whoa! And when you type, whoa! Yeah. So it reacts by line where you type the keys, no, by line. Galing. Okay, next. INS. Whoa! That is very sparkly for Christmas. Okay, what else?
And then this.
Nice. So there's a lot. There's a lot. There's like 12 different LED functions. But there's also a gamer function where it only lights up the keys that you use for gaming. So there's several selections. Let's do that, Raj. Function and then one. There. So only the WASD, the basic, yeah, comes out. Then
this one is probably
you have more features now, more keys now that you use in your gaming. And then 3.
This one.
And so it really isolates lang those keys that you use in gaming. But there are a lot. There are several features of that. But then press escape.
Escape. It goes
and that's the default. So there are a lot of different combinations. It is so cool. Plus the stand is so nice. So I kind of want one for myself. Nice. Okay. Let's set it up now in Raj's room in his computer. Cool. Oh yeah. By the way, this is Red Dragon. Where's the pamphlet?
Good luck finding that.
Wait, I gave it here. So it's a Red Dragon. Yeah, and then Red Dragon Dark Avenger. So I'll also buy Raj a matching mouse so that it syncs up with the mouse.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. And that is Raj's new setup. Look at that.
Yeah,
look at that keyboard. So I got him this nice aluminum stand. It's more solid now. And good airflow.
This one,
and put all the cables under. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Let's look at his keyboard. Ooh, and Happy?
Yeah.